All right, here are my Floret originals. They are so beautiful. Take a look. Take a look inside. Look, it looked like little sea stars inside. And I also have sunflowers growing. And look, even when they are starting to fade, look at how beautiful the florets are. I think this is golden hour. Yeah. So they are coming along. Every morning I tell them, grow little florets, grow. And they do. And they do. I also played a little bit of opera for them, and then a little bit of R&B, trying to help them along. I want to show you something else that is lovely. Now, this is my Chantilly Snapdragons from Farmer Bailey. I ordered the plugs, so they are coming along. This year, it's like year one. And so I'm just trying to just grow things. This is like my year of learning. Every now and then I'll do a little pop-up here at my house, just for my little neighbors, right? Yeah. So some more sunflower Steve. I can't wait till these open up. So I'll make sure I show them to you. And here's a little feverfew. And then over here, I have a special type of daisy, and they're called crazy daisies. I can't wait until they bloom. They're my sweet peas. I'm going to let them go to seed, so that's why I haven't harvested them yet. But let me show you what else is going on. I have some more raised beds. I had so many people visiting my garden when I'm not home. I had to put a sign here and just ask them to give me a call, right? Give me a call if they want a tour. Here are my birdseed poppies. I'm also letting them go to seed. I'm a big seed saver. When the seed pod turns brown completely and it's sort of open up at the top, that's when the seeds are ready to be harvested. When the seed pods are still green, see, and there's no opening, they're not ready. But this one seed pod will have thousands of seeds. Now, here, I've put down my tarp because I need to assemble some more raised beds. So I'm just going to first collect my seeds, and then I'll start assembling the bed, because take a look. To assemble those beds, and I'm doing it myself, it takes a lot of time, so I'm just doing it in stages. But it's working. Now, I want to know what's going on in your garden. So please, down below, tell me your name, tell me what zone you're in, and let me know what you have growing in your garden, okay? Bye, Martha from Monterey Bay.